Today we're going to be making a super easy and quick macaroni stir fry. Now this dish I tend to make for lunches. Typically one of those like time crunch lunches where I got back from grocery shopping a little late and my daughter is super hungry, so I need to like whip something up really quick. But yeah, it's super easy, has very little ingredients. I tend to put it in bell peppers, tomatoes. If I have carrots available, I'll put in carrots. Today I don't have carrots, so I'll leave that out. And then I use the soy curls as my protein. Sometimes I'll use the Gardein chicken strips. I've also used tofu. So pretty much it's very simple in that you pretty much put whatever you have in the fridge into this macaroni stir fry. But yeah, so let's get started. want. Typically I would add in spinach, kale, carrots. There's sometimes where I've done snow peas, green beans, anything you want. The protein, I've done tofu, I've done TBP, I've also done the gardein, the chicken strips as well. So I mean, you can pretty much put anything in there. The seasoning kind of works with just about any veggies or any of the proteins. But yeah, please give this a try. Let me know what substitutions you used and how that turned out. If you have any requests, please leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!